Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a bake and clean with me. I am actually going to be trying out a new recipe, and I will have that recipe linked down below for you guys to check out too. It's super easy. There's very minimal ingredients, which is my style. I like to keep things simple but good and fun and easy and all that stuff. And what I am baking is going to be a sweet, yummy dessert, so that's really exciting. It is perfect for fall. It screams fall. So I'm really excited. So I am gonna be going ahead and cleaning because, as you can see, we have a little bit of a mess back there. So you will get your cleaning motivation along with a new fun recipe I will be gladly to test out for you guys before you go ahead and try and make it yourself. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. So before we get started, we're gonna go ahead and light up a candle to set the mood. And I also want to mention that this is a collab with my friend Jillian. She's actually been a friend of mine here for a very long time, and she makes all kinds of fun lifestyle videos. I know if you guys like my channel, you guys are gonna love her channel. How we found each other is because people would comment down in our comments and say that we look alike, and then that's how we ended up checking each other out. So after you're done watching my video, please head over to her video, let her know I sent you, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So it might sound weird, but I actually like to clean up my space a little bit before I start cooking. I just can't have like clutter or like crumbs or anything like that when I start to cook. So that is what I'm doing here. So I am just using a Clorox wipe just because it's super fast and disinfecting.
I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your parts, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
So of course the caramel syrup and the ice cream is optional, but I did go with a low sugar ice cream, and it is lactose free. So we're gonna go ahead and start with putting the apples into a dish, and they do recommend a 9x13. I didn't have that. I just used this one right here, and this wasn't big enough for all of the filling, so just use something a little bit bigger.
I grew up and I'm bitter, 0 out of 3 no more. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out the way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. I wish that we could turn back.
So what I do want to mention here is that I would recommend go ahead and mix the butter in with the cake mix and the oatmeal. That is just going to give you better results, and I figured that afterwards, so definitely do that. So you're going to want to go ahead and put it in the oven for 350 degrees, and I went ahead and baked it for 40 minutes. So while everything bakes, we're going to go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen and just kind of tackling the whole downstairs.
I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me, I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long, I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts, when life was good and I worn out sneakers, when we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirts. Dirt on my jeans and sing good old snapback
So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning off my countertops. I am going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day in the Acorn Spice. If you're new to my channel, I absolutely love this scent for fall. It is perfect, and I actually got these products from the Grove Collaborative website. That is where I get 80% of my cleaning products, and right now they're giving away a free fall bundle with purchase. If you go to their website and spend $20, then you get a whole free bundle of products, and it is in the different fall scents that they offer. So I will have that link down below if you want to check it out. So my table was super messy, and what we do is when we're eating, we actually move the table runner a little bit, and we just didn't end up moving it back on this day. So what I like to do is give the table 2 wipes. I will first wipe it down to get all the crumbs off, and then I'll wipe it down again just to get it nice and shiny and clean.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you.
So right now we're going to go ahead and clean up the living room. We're going to put everything back where it goes, wipe down the tables, and fix the pillows.
Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are
Comment down below and let me know what your favorite fall dessert is. Mine is definitely the Costco's apple pie crisp. It has caramel on it and it just tastes so amazing.
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
All right, you guys, sorry if I have a shaky hand. I just finished cleaning and I'm just kind of vlog styling the rest of the video, but I just tried a bite of this and it's so good. Actually took a few bites because I couldn't stop, but it turned out so good. I highly recommend this recipe. I mean, it isn't exactly like apple pie. Obviously, I needed to use like a little bit bigger of a dish and it kind of crumbles apart, but it's perfect. It's like an apple pie crumble. It's perfect. I felt like Costco made it, and that's my favorite pie is at Costco. It's the caramel apple crumble pie, I think that's what it's called. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some cleaning inspiration, some fall recipe inspiration. Also, don't forget to check out Jillian's video, you guys. See what she's making and what she's cleaning and all of that good stuff. Get your extra dose of motivation and go ahead and let her know I sent you, and I will see all of you guys on Monday with a new cleaning video. Bye.